हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ।
The spirit of National Teacher Congress is very simple, that we in our Indian ethos, in values, we say Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava.
सबसे पहले MIT का बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूँ कि एक बड़ा ही अच्छा शिक्षकों का ये सम्मेलन नेशनल टीचर्स कांग्रेस, इसका आयोजन MIT ने यहाँ पर किया। आप केवल व्यक्ति नहीं है, आप समाज को निर्माण करने वाले, समाज का निर्माण करने वाली व्यवस्था है। उस ऐसी व्यवस्था का भाग है जो व्यवस्था इस देश को तैयार करती है।
This platform becomes a more permanent feature to sustain the importance of role of teachers in transformation of our society.
I am enthralled because for the first time, perhaps in India, Rahul and his MIT has organized Teachers Congress, and that too in Pune.
For me, it is always a privilege to acknowledge the gurus who have shaped my career and who have shaped many careers in our industry.
We have to create products for Industry 4.0.
पत्रकार और अध्यापक ये दोनों एक ही है।
दुनिया का आज का स्थिति जो भी है उसको रास्ता दिखाने का दायित्व मेरी भारत माता की तरफ है।
The greatest pleasure for a teacher is to see the student reach great heights.
From a young age, we need to start having students work in teams, to do projects, to discover things for themselves.
Education does not mean knowledge gyan only. It contains a life in it.
Today, what is the outcome of present education system? When we want to change the existing system, we should analyze the outcome of the present education system.
Do something for your country. This is a great country. It needs you, it needs your Indianness.
Intelligence plus character. That is the goal of true education.
We have big role and responsibility to educate a nation to be ready for fast changing globe, and for this value based education is the best way out.
इससे पहले कि सांस ढले सब और अंधेरा छा जाए तो खुद को इतना रोशन कर कि सूरज भी घबरा जाए।
साधना संस्कार के बगैर नहीं और संस्कार गुरु के बगैर नहीं।
Unless a Shishya excels him, he is not going to be a fulfillment of a guru.
Without education, no development can take place, and that has not taken place anywhere in the world.
Telling the truth is important, but more important than that is telling the truth which is in the best interest of the country and the society at large, regardless of how unpleasant it is.
I'm very happy and grateful also to be here in this first National Teaching Conference.
How might you learn to think? Are you transmitting knowledge? Or are you igniting a mind? Or are you building a nation? Or are you bringing about transformation? That's up to you.
I believe there's a lot to be gained by using those classical ancient terms.
We need teachers who will give this new type of education to the students.
हर आदमी कभी छात्र रहा होगा, मगर हिंदुस्तान की तहजीब में कहा जाता है कि इल्म लेने और इल्म देने की उम्र कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती। माँ की गोद से लेके अर्थी की गोद तक इल्म लेते रहो और इल्म देते रहो, यही हमारा हिंदुस्तानी धर्म है।
In the process of teaching, we are learning.
Teachers ranking to roll out next year, says the CM.
We have come up with national ranking in form of NIRF from last year.
I'm sure with conferences and congress like this, the day is not far when we are all going to see a better tomorrow.
सत्य, शिव, सौंदर्य और मांगल्य की उपासना शिक्षा क्षेत्र से ही होगी.
Yes, for us, we think that there is lack of political will.
जो डिग्री किसी बच्चे के हाथ में दी जा रही है और द नॉलेज बच्चे के पास है, दोनों कम से कम बराबर होना चाहिए.
We have lost in knowledge. Where is the knowledge? We have lost in information. I am tempted to add to what Eliot had said, where is that information which we have lost in the examination?
I'm a teacher, an educator, a motivator and an inspirator.
Currently, teaching learning process is unable to satisfy.
This is a momentous time. The next 2 to 3 decades are extraordinarily powerful opportunities for us as teachers to transform.
अरे झुकता तो वही है जिसमें जान होती है. झुकता तो वही है जिसमें जान होती है. और आकड़ना ये मुर्दे की पहचान होती है. आकड़ता तो मुर्दे.
We, the participant teachers of the first National Teachers Congress, hereby pledge that we will consciously keep our surroundings tidy and neat. We will not litter and make cleanliness an integral part of our lives.
Dear Rahul, I must congratulate you because this is the campus where every member of your MIT family enjoys the resonance of Hey Vishwaji Majhe Ghar.
To nurture the 21st century learning spirit in the minds and hearts of the students.
Friends, let's remember that this year, when the annual budget was proposed and presented, there is an increase in educational budget.
India is all about oneness. It's home, it's a mother of all the other countries. That's my perception.
All teaching community will agree that there has to be expenditure on education.
If GER is less than 5% for certain strata of society, it means that 95% of that population, that strata of society, do not even have access to higher education.